5-day-long Mahakumbh has kick-started already. We have been seeing thousands of devotees thronging to the ghats. We will bring you more details with regards to that. We have currently got our reporter also deployed on the ground. But let's talk a little bit about Prayagraj. It's all decked up for the world's largest religious gathering in the Mahakumbh. The city witnessed a large gathering of devotees at Triveni Sangam as the Mahakumbh Mela began with the auspicious Shahi Snan on the occasion of Posh Purnima. Now, devotees took holy dips and in fact performed sacred rituals in the sacred confluence of the Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati rivers at Triveni Sangam. It holds a lot of significance. The grand event began with the first holy dip or Shahi Snan today early in the morning. According to the government's data, 60 lakh people so far had taken the holy dip by just 9:30 a.m. this morning. And in fact, over the next 45 days, the city is going to host the largest human congregation on earth, largest religious gathering, drawing an estimated 40 to 45 crore pilgrims. Like I said before, Yash, my colleague, is joining us live on the broadcast straight from Prayagraj. Yash, a very good morning to you. We can sense the oozing energy through the screens. What a day to be on the ground and covering this particular event. How is it for you? Walk us through all the arrangements that have been done for the devotees, for the pilgrims thronging in.
Well, Sakshi, the atmosphere over here is electrifying. There's devotion in the air, there's spirituality, and people only have to say one thing, that what they're witnessing is perhaps they're very lucky that they're witnessing something like this in this very Kumbh Mela. And continuously, I'll go to the visuals first, Sakshi. You can see the kind of gathering which is over here, and in fact, we are already witnessing a very huge crowd. In fact, you just read for our viewers that 60 lakh devotees have already taken a dip in the holy Sangam. And in fact, the number will keep on mounting with each passing minute. And in fact, Sakshi, for a quick chat, I have a lovely family over here full of enthusiasm. सबसे पहले
हर हर महादेव।
कहाँ से आए हैं?
सिलीगुड़ी
से, वेस्ट बंगाल से। अच्छा, स्नान कर लिया, करना है अभी?
कर लिया।
कैसा लगा, कैसा?
बहुत अच्छा।
इंतजाम भी बहुत था।
बहुत बढ़िया।
अच्छा, 10 में से इंतजाम के लिए कितना नंबर देंगे?
9
एक नंबर क्यों काटा?
एक नंबर काटा नहीं, ठीक है।
अच्छा, तो 100 में 100।
100 में 100। इसमें मोदी जी आने जाने की थोड़ी व्यवस्था करते तो और अच्छा लगता।
अच्छा। Well, so Sakshi, you can see the devotees are full of energy. In fact, they've just taken a dip in the holy Sangam of Triveni. And perhaps we'll get you more such voices from the ground. And you can see the kind of enthusiasm here amongst the devotees.
What's more beautiful about Prayagraj is that it can actually accommodate a lot of people, crores of them. You've already told us that 60 lakh people have already taken that holy dip in Ganga this morning itself, and we are expected crores of people to throng into the ghats as well. But also tell us about the security arrangements at place and how exactly the city is going to accommodate such a large inundation of people.
So Sakshi, for the accommodation of the people, a large tent city has been made by the police. In fact, temporary arrangements have been made, and this entire area has been turned into the tent city. So in that sense, around over lakhs of tents have been placed so that devotees can stay here near the Sangam, because there are a number of traffic restrictions as well, because beyond a point you cannot get your vehicles to this very place. So the arrangements are there. People, what they're saying, in fact, we've been talking to people. In fact, one gentleman over pointed out one thing, that yes, there is some slight problem when they have to travel on foot, but we have to understand over here, Sakshi, if the authorities will allow vehicles to this stretch and near the Sangam, it will be a chaotic situation. So keeping in mind, all these arrangements have been made. In fact, tech is something which has been incorporated very well in this entire arrangements. In fact, 2,700 CCTV cameras have been installed. In fact, you can see the government has put up a display of how the tech has been used as part of the arrangements. In fact, 10 digital centers of lost and found have been created. And in fact, drones are being flown continuously, and in fact these are AI equipped drones which are taking care of this very situation. A 24/7 monitoring system and stations have also been incorporated over here. And interestingly, the application which of the Kumbh which has been unveiled by the government over here, that also has a support of 11 different languages, and this is all being done by a AI chatbot which has been unveiled by the government, and the name of the chatbot is Kumbh Sahayak. So very interestingly, tech has also been used by the government over here, and apart from the tech also the traditional policing is also continuously on. Many people deployed on the ground, many forces, in fact Indian Army is also there, paramilitary forces apart from the Uttar Pradesh police.
Definitely, Yash, since you've also talked about how the devotees, will have to walk. It's a winter morning. Let's, come on, walk a little and warm ourselves before we take that holy dip in that chilly water. Yash, I'll request you to please stay on with us and take care of yourself. Prayagraj is all decked up, as we have just spoken of, for the world's largest religious gathering at the Mahakumbh. The city has witnessed a large gathering of devotees at Triveni Sangam as the Mahakumbh Mela has begun with the auspicious Shahi Snan. We just spoke of it on the occasion of Posh Purnima, the auspicious day today. Ladies and gentlemen, it's also a Monday morning. Devotees took the holy dips and performed the sacred rituals, and at the sacred confluence of rivers Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati. The grand event began with the first holy dip or Shahi Snan today early in the morning, and according to the data that we have collected from our government sources, we have got to know that 60 lakh people have already taken this particular holy dip by 9:30 a.m. today in the morning. And in fact, over the next 45 days, the city is going to host the largest human congregation on earth, drawing an estimated 40 to 45 crore pilgrims. And just a quick trivia for our viewers, you can in fact see this largest human gathering, the religious one, from space as well. From the past couple of years, the space stations have been releasing the pictures as well. It holds a record of having accommodated the largest number of people. In fact, a team of News 9 reporters is currently in Prayagraj, bringing us the latest updates on the world's largest confluence of faith. We just spoke to Yash. We've got a couple of reports for you. Take a look.
Well, we come to you from the holy bank of Triveni Sangam, and this is a place which will witness the Mahakumbh 2025. 144 साल बाद ये कुंभ महाकुंभ आ रहा है, क्या मायने हैं आपके इसके लिए?
ये हमारे हिंदू धर्म के हिसाब से काफ़ी मायने है। आप देख सकते हैं देश के कोने-कोने से लोग आए हुए हैं, और ये पर्व केवल भारत में नहीं, पूरे विश्व में एक अलौकिक त्यौहार के तौर पर मनाया जा रहा है। और ये हमारे सभ्यता की एक देन है कि पूरा विश्व, यहाँ तक कि गूगल की फाउंडर मैम 14 डेज के लिए, 14 दिन के लिए कल्पवास कर रही है। ये दिखाता है कि पैसे के लिए दुनिया मरी हुई है, लेकिन लास्ट में लोग संगम में मोक्ष पाने के लिए आते हैं। हम लोग विश्वनाथ बाबा धाम से आए हैं, जैसे लोग काशी में आते हैं, वैसे ये भी एक मोक्ष धाम का पवित्र द्वार है।
देख रहा हूँ आपकी हाथ दूसरे हाथ से जब मैं तुलना करता हूँ इस हाथ से, तो वो हाथ सूखता जा रहा है, पतला होता जा रहा है।
वो तो सूखेगा क्योंकि खून ऊपर बंद है, तो ये तो यहाँ से जाम हो जाएगा, सूखता ही है, सूखेगा।
तो सोते कैसे हैं महाराज जी?
वो तो ऐसे ही रहता है, सीधा ही।
नींद आ जाती है?
क्यों नींद नहीं आएगी? 2 घंटा 2 घंटा आधा घंटा सोना सो ही लेते हैं।
लेकिन तब में तकलीफ होती है।
हमको तो कोई तकलीफ नहीं होती, क्योंकि हम तो परोपकार के लिए कर रहे हैं। अगर अपने लिए करते तो हमको तकलीफ होती।
From the integrated control command center, and in fact you can see this is a place from where all the monitoring has been done for the Mahakumbh. In fact, 2,700 CCTV cameras have been installed, and this is the place from where the monitoring of each and every corner will be done. In fact, all the senior police officials are here in a huddle. In fact, these are the last minute preparations which are being done. In fact, DIG of Mahakumbh, SSP and the SP and along with all the senior officials are here.
जैसा हम कह रहे थे कि कुंभ के अलग अलग रंग हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं, इस वक्त हम आप देखेंगे तो मेरे आगे पीछे पूरा रैला लगा हुआ है और साक्षी महाराज हमारे साथ हैं, जो महाराज होने के साथ साथ राजनीति को भी बेहतर तरीके से समझते हैं। इस बार का कुंभ आपको कैसा लग रहा है?
ऐतिहासिक कुंभ है और ये मुहूर्त 144 साल बाद पड़ा है, इसलिए इसका महत्व और बढ़ जाता है। माननीय मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में योगी जी ने बहुत बढ़िया व्यवस्था की है। साधु संतों से मिल करके एक एक की समस्या को सुन करके समाधान करने का काम किया है।
Team of reporters on ground, they spoke to the religious leaders. They also spoke to people thronging into Ghats to ask them how exactly are they feeling about taking the holy dip. Prayagraj, as you can clearly see through the visuals, is all decked up for the world's largest religious gathering in the Mahakumbh, something that you can in fact watch from space. The largest religious gathering, ladies and gentlemen, in the world. The city witnessed a large gathering of devotees and pilgrims at Triveni Sangam as the Mahakumbh Mela has already begun with the auspicious Shahi Snan. It's the day of Shahi Snan. You will see a lot of people coming to the ground. A team of News 9 reporters, in fact, as we said before, is there in Prayagraj, bringing you all the latest visuals, all the colors, all the energy through your screens. Currently, a couple of more reports coming in. Take a look.
पौष पूर्णिमा के स्नान के साथ ही महाकुंभ की औपचारिक शुरुआत हो गई है और बड़ी संख्या में लोग स्नान कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इस बीच सुरक्षा व्यवस्था के इंतजाम देखिए बहुत ज़्यादा व्यवस्थित इस वक्त दिख रहे हैं। यहाँ पर देखिए बैरिकेड लगाया गया है और उत्तर प्रदेश पुलिस लगातार डटी हुई है कि जो यात्री यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, श्रद्धालु यहाँ पर आ रहे हैं, उन्हें किसी तरह की तकलीफ ना हो। लेकिन सिर्फ यूपी पुलिस, जल पुलिस ही नहीं बल्कि एनएसजी के कमांडो, निरंजन ये तस्वीर दिखाइए, एनएसजी के कमांडो भी प्रयागराज महाकुंभ में मौजूद है और ये देखिए वो पूरी मुस्तैदी के साथ एनएसजी कमांडो जमीन, आसमान और पानी में उनके रिहर्सल की तस्वीरें टीवी 9 भारतवर्ष ने आपको दिखाई थी। और अब ये टीम मौजूद है संगम के तट पर और किसी भी आपातकाल की स्थिति में वो कोशिश करेंगे कि किस तरह से उन हालातों को तुरंत काबू में लिया जा सके। और ये तैनाती अब पूरे कुंभ में 45 दिनों तक आपको नजर आएगी और इन जवानों के जरिए इस कुंभ नगरी को सुरक्षित करने का प्रयास किया जाएगा।
This is the first sunrise of the 2025. Today is 13th of January.